Hi, welcome. Join me in this little experiment. I was just building the next ISO Arc D LTS, which means we're in a black screen and we'll just have fun together. We do our updates, see if everything is okay. Then your up all, which includes then the AUR. Maybe your mirror is not okay, so depending on where you live, you need to get a new mirrors in, or mirror D, or mirror A. So you can do it again, and you see maybe that your speed is higher. In my case, I just lost speed, so I guess I better use another kind of code, mirror, to see if that's faster. Now I just wanted to quickly install Enlightenment, so it's another kind of thing you can install. It's not created yet, so it's just on the fly, just having fun and just testing out this new build, this D build. Doesn't seem to improve. Had better times in the beginning. Too bad. Anyway, let's continue. All right, there we are. So sudo pacman -s and then Enlightenment. I don't know how to type it. I'll just press on tab and that's it. And then everything is installed. So often people ask me, Eric, can I install this or that or that? It's actually super smart. Just get the package, the Lego block you need. Where do you find it? Arch Wiki, Enlightenment, and then you see you need to install sudo pacman -s xfc4 xfc goodies. There is plasma name, there is mate extras. So it's just a few blocks you need. You install it and it's gonna be there when you log out. At the top right, you'll see a drop down for all the desktops you've installed. Now, some of them might conflict, and that's a learning phase. That's okay. Then you just try it out and see if it works or not. Now, I need to be able to log in, so I need to have LightTM there as well. So that's one thing, but LightTM has also something else. That's what needs to come behind it. It's the LightTM GTK greeter. So you need to be greeted with something. And then eventually, if you want to have later on, you want to set it manually, so not via GUI, so graphic user interface, you're gonna take the greeter settings. But if you reboot now, well, maybe let's make the mistake. So sudo reboot is a new command we have, SR. So or you just type all of this, or I'm gonna use more and more SR, sudo reboot. So I did a mistake. It's always, any mistake can be fixed on Linux. So this is the Linux LTS kernel we're testing out in VirtualBox. So this here gives here Enlightenment, fine, that's okay, Eric, and there we go. No error at all, Eric. We just don't need to systemctl enable. It's just enabled after installation. So, that's my keyboard. Yeah, that's important. Keyboard is this one, Belgian. Next, computer standard alignment tiling. I am a fan of tiling. Okay, so default tiling bindings are Windows key, got it, super, space, arrows, left mouse. Done. Let's see if it's a little bit more stable. I always postpone it because I see kind of problems. Enlightenment, it's so small, I can't even read it. Enlightenment sets default mouse kind of default key which must be held to is Alt. That's okay. Next. Disable composite effects, no. Enable update checking, why not? Enable taskbar, yes please. And we're through. So this is your enlightenment that we could at some point in time test out even more and make maybe another Linux look for it. So it knows I have this keyboard, Control T is not working. Termite is there somewhere. Applications, system maybe, termite. So update. Now everything is fine. So this information is available. I cannot move it. So super arrow. What's that? And that's the reason, guys, why Enlightenment is still not elected to be have an Arco Linux config. All right, shutting down here.